Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is Sandals Halcyon Beach in beautiful St. Lucia. This adults-only, all-inclusive resort is a slice of heaven designed specifically for couples looking to celebrate their love, whether it's a honeymoon, anniversary, or just a romantic getaway. Nestled along pristine white sand beaches and surrounded by lush tropical gardens, this resort embodies the quintessential Caribbean experience. So, let's embark on this virtual tour and discover what makes Sandals Halcyon Beach a top choice for lovebirds seeking sun, sand, and unforgettable memories. Let's start our journey by exploring the accommodations at Sandals Halcyon Beach. The resort offers a variety of room types to suit different preferences and budgets. From the luxurious Butler Suites to the charming garden view rooms, each accommodation is designed with comfort and romance in mind. The Butler Suites are particularly impressive, featuring spacious layouts with separate living areas and private balconies. These suites come with the added luxury of personalized butler service, ensuring your every need is met with a smile. For those seeking stunning ocean vistas, the Ocean View rooms offer breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea right from your private balcony. If you prefer a more tranquil setting, the Garden View rooms provide a serene escape surrounded by the resort's lush tropical landscaping. All rooms come equipped with modern amenities such as flat-screen TVs, air conditioning, and complimentary stocked minibars. The suites with private balconies are perfect for couples who want to enjoy intimate moments while taking in the beauty of their surroundings. Regardless of which room type you choose, you'll be treated to luxurious amenities and the warm, inviting atmosphere that Sandals is known for. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of any vacation: the food. Sandals Halcyon Beach doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. With a whopping 23 restaurants to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. Let's start with Kelly's Dockside, an over-the-water restaurant that serves up mouth-watering Caribbean specialties. Imagine dining on fresh seafood and grilled meats while perched 150 feet over the ocean. Talk about dinner with a view. For Italian cuisine lovers, Mario's offers classic dishes prepared by native Italian chefs. Craving some Asian flavors? Head to Kimona's for a teppanyaki-style dining experience complete with tableside entertainment. If you're in the mood for French cuisine, La Toque serves up delectable dishes inspired by the legendary escoffier. For a more casual dining experience, the Beach Bistro offers delicious grilled fare right on the sand. And let's not forget about the drinks. With numerous bars scattered throughout the resort, including swim-up bars at the pools, you'll never be far from a refreshing cocktail. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic dinner for two or a lively night out, Sandals Halcyon Beach has got you covered. When it comes to pools and beaches, Sandals Halcyon Beach truly shines. The resort boasts multiple pools, each with its own unique charm. The Infinity Pool offers breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, creating the illusion that the pool merges seamlessly with the ocean. For those seeking a quieter atmosphere, there's an adults-only pool where you can relax in peace. The zero-entry signature pool is perfect for those who want to ease into the water gradually. But the real star of the show is the pristine white sand beach that stretches along the property. The crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea invite you to take a dip or try your hand at various water sports. Speaking of which, the resort offers a wide range of complimentary water activities. You can go snorkeling to explore the vibrant underwater world, try your hand at kayaking, or even go for a relaxing paddleboarding session. For the more adventurous, there's windsurfing and Hobie cat sailing. And the best part? All of these activities are included in your stay. Whether you prefer lounging by the pool with a cocktail in hand or engaging in exciting water sports, Sandals Halcyon Beach has something for everyone. Now, let's dive into the activities and entertainment options at Sandals Halcyon Beach. The resort offers a plethora of land-based activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. Fitness enthusiasts will love the state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with top-of-the-line techno gym equipment. You can join high-energy group fitness classes or opt for a personal training session to keep up with your workout routine. For those who prefer outdoor activities, there are tennis courts where you can engage in a friendly match. The resort also offers beach volleyball, perfect for some fun in the sun. If you're looking to learn something new, why not try your hand at Caribbean cooking classes or mixology sessions? In the evenings, the resort comes alive with entertainment. You can enjoy live music performances, theme parties, and even beach bonfires. For a more low-key evening, cozy up with your partner for a movie under the stars. And let's not forget about the weekly chocolate buffet, a sweet treat that's not to be missed. With so many activities to choose from, you'll never have a dull moment at Sandals Halcyon Beach. After all that activity, you might be in need of some relaxation. That's where the Red Lane Spa comes in. This oasis of tranquility offers a wide range of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. Indulge in a couple's massage where you and your partner can unwind together. Or try one of their signature Caribbean-inspired treatments that use natural regional products. The spa facilities include luxurious treatment rooms, a beauty salon, and several intimate relaxation areas. For a truly unique experience, book a massage in one of the outdoor treatment pavilions where you can hear the soothing sounds of the ocean. The spa also offers a steam room and plunge pools for additional relaxation. If you're looking to center yourself, join a yoga class in the dedicated yoga pavilion. The Red Lane Spa is open daily from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., giving you plenty of opportunities to pamper yourself during your stay. Remember to book your treatments in advance through the resort's concierge or directly at the spa to ensure availability. While Sandals Halcyon Beach is an adults-only resort, it's worth noting that the surrounding area offers plenty of attractions for visitors of all ages. Just a short distance from the resort, you'll find the vibrant capital city of Castries. Here, you can explore the bustling local markets, visit historic sites like Derek Walcott Square, or take a stroll through the beautiful botanical gardens. For nature lovers, a trip to the iconic Pitons, two volcanic spires that are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must. You can hike these majestic mountains or simply admire them from afar. The Sulphur Springs, known as the world's only drive-in volcano, offers a unique geological experience. Here, you can take a mud bath in the volcanic mud pools, known for their therapeutic properties. If you're interested in local culture, consider visiting one of the nearby fishing villages like Anse-la-Raye or Canaries. These quaint villages offer a glimpse into authentic St. Lucian life. For those seeking adventure, you can go zip-lining through the rainforest or take an ATV tour of the island. And of course, no visit to St. Lucia would be complete without a sunset catamaran cruise along the stunning coastline. While Sandals Halcyon Beach offers plenty to keep you entertained on-site, these nearby attractions provide excellent opportunities to explore the beauty and culture of St. Lucia. To wrap up our virtual tour, let's share some guest experience highlights that truly capture the essence of Sandals Halcyon Beach. Many couples have raved about the surprise romantic gestures arranged by the staff, such as rose petal-strewn beds or candlelit dinners on the beach. One guest shared a heartwarming story of how the resort's team went above and beyond to recreate a cherished family recipe for their anniversary dinner. Another couple praised their butler for arranging a surprise vow renewal ceremony, complete with a photographer to capture the moment. Many guests have also highlighted the personal touches that made their stay special, like staff members remembering their names and preferences from day one. The weekly chocolate buffet has been a hit with many guests, with one describing it as a chocoholic's dream come true. Snorkeling enthusiasts have shared exciting tales of spotting colorful fish and even sea turtles right off the resort's beach. These personal anecdotes and memorable experiences truly bring to life the magic of Sandals Halcyon Beach, showing why so many couples choose this resort for their special getaways. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.